Yeah, viewers all over the world. As you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa, ihe nchọ ka nkọwala gị bụ ihe niile ị kwesịrị ịma dịka onye Igbo. Ya na ihe ị kwesịrị ịma gbasara our propagation in Igbo spirituality. Yes, ị ga-enweta m na social media platforms, na YouTube, na TikTok, na Facebook. Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu afọ ị ga-eji nweta m. Mmenyekwa gị WhatsApp nọmba ị ga-eji nweta m ma ọ bụrụ na onwe ajụjụ ọbụla ị kwesịrị ịjụ ma ọ bụ ị chọrọ ịjụ ma ọ bụ ihe na-agbagwoju anya n'ihe gbasara Igbo spirituality. Ịnekwa ya na screen gị ga-afụ nọmbas ndị a mma bụ 0805 78 37 672. Ndị anya na screen gị ga-afụ ya. Yes, gịnị ka m chọrọ ịkọwara dịka nwa afọ Igbo? As you're under the influence of my voice right now, know that spirituality is one. And we are living in a competitive world. We are in a fight for survival of the fittest. One thing that is very important in your life is that you need to have a family. Marry your problems, marry your destiny. Consultation about a kind of spiritual lab. Your problems, it will be easier to tackle it. Again, you must always do the needful for you to align with your spiritual forces and your ancestors for maximum protection. You will know the do's and the don'ts, what you must forbid, what you must avoid, in order to not to fall a victim in this wicked world. Do you know? Don't tell me that you want only major. I can tell you that there's some people that don't even like your face. And they can even be a victim of circumstances. You might be at the wrong place at the right time. Yes. But there are some certain things you're supposed to do so that your chi and your forces will always prevent you from being at the wrong place at the right time. So that whenever there is negativity in front, they will prevent you from being there, so that you will not receive what is not meant for you, and what you must be doing in order to attract those things that is already destined in your destiny. And why some of the people are suffering today is that they did not understand even the purpose why they are here on earth. And again, what is supposed to be your calling, what you must do and what you must avoid, meaning that you are clueless of how things work. And believe me, if you don't understand these things and how things work, you will be toiling in vain. Yes. So what I'm telling you is that seek the knowledge. If you are knowledgeable, if you're a master, if you lack knowledge, it remains slave. Most of you are suffering today because you refuse to do the right thing, maybe out of ignorance, or maybe you don't even know. It is very important for you to have a mentor, somebody that will be guiding you step by step, somebody that will be watching your back. And it's very important for you to have altars that will be speaking for you. There is traditional altars, you will align yourself. Then your priest will be watching you to make sure that you will not be a victim of circumstance. You must stand on your feet because you understand how things work. So that these men of underworld, people that are there looking for somebody to take away their destiny, will not harm you because you are protected. You do what you're supposed to do, know what you're supposed to know, and be where you're supposed to be. All those things will make you to stand as a man. You have been abroad. Let me tell you, if you did not do the right thing, even if you run away to US, cannot solve your problem. You can still see that those things that is causing your problem will still follow you to that US, follow you to that Germany, say fuck things up for you. You still come back to square one. It's not running away to abroad does not mean that you have already escaped from your predicament. Yes, most people are there toiling in vain. Some people are still in abroad 10, 20, 30 years. They didn't achieve anything, despite the fact that they are still in a place where things work. So it must, before you are, maybe you want to go out, you must do what you're supposed to do. Maka na onye ikwu na ibie na ndị ichie biere ụgwọ eji ụkwụ agbawa ụzọ. Because you have done what is expected of you. If you did not do what is expected of you, you go there, you still be toiling. Where others succeed, you will go there and you still fail. Because you did not do what you're supposed to do. So my calling is for we Igbos and Africa in general. Discover your root. Be at peace with your forces. So that those your forces, at peace you are with your forces, they will form as a shield of protection for you, so that nobody will take whatever that belongs to you, so that you always be protected. And the highest thing that can happen to you as a man is being protected. And once you are protected, it means that whatever you are working will be manifested, because nothing negativity is taking away your glory. Let me stop here. If you have any question, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, or you want to be a child of the temple, chat me on WhatsApp. Remember, WhatsApp number Igeji chat 0805 7837672. You can click on the screen again. Can I watch you know? You are blessed already. Can I know? Share it. Let your people hear from this message. May Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all. May Chukwu nke Africa bless you all. I remain an ancient high priest. Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite.